It's a little windy, so you may hear the wind whipping around the camper here. It's been kind of a slow week. I essentially just worked since we last talked. Just got off a stretch of 5, about to do 2 more, and then I'm off for 5. So didn't really do anything amazing in between shifts. So going to be kind of a short video today. Hiker's been a little restless. We haven't been able to walk much, or as far as we usually do this week. After that big snow, things got pretty muddy and wet, and it still is muddy and wet on that little side dirt road that we usually walk on. So, yeah, been kind of an uneventful week, but got a couple of things in the mail I thought I would share. One is a new microphone. So I'm currently using the RODE Wireless Go, which I've been pretty impressed with. It's a lapel mic, you can see that up there. But got this. It is the RODE VideoMic Pro Plus. The plus part is a lithium-ion rechargeable battery. I'm told this also, I think just with the Pro level, automatically turns on with the camera, which is kind of cool. But looking forward to trying that. It is a shotgun mic instead of a lapel mic like this. So gonna try that out here in a second and see which one has better audio. Let you be the judge. Like I said, currently I'm on the lapel mic. I'll swap over to the shotgun and we'll see how it goes. Pretty simple little deal here. Just for the record, I'm just using the microphone off the iPhone here. All right, there she is. So this is the lithium-ion rechargeable. It just charges in the mic here. Got a little link cord. There's our charge cable. And that's it. Pretty simple, pretty light, like that. Got the settings back here. Got a couple dB levels there. All right, so we're just gonna open this little door here. It did come with a dead cat, which I can put on if I need the... Perfect. So, okay, and we would take this, and it's going to come out, I guess there. I don't know what the little screw's about. Cool. All right. So it's got a little hot shoe screw here. Slide that in there. Get that down. Look at that. Little shock mount. Pretty cool. I'll keep it from getting a bunch of wind noise, I think. So we'll just pop that back in here. I do actually want to turn this off and see if it turns on with the camera. Go. All right. So we're gonna come around and just. All right. Turn it on, and it powered on. Cool. All right. So this is a test using the RODE VideoMic Pro. It's a shotgun mic as opposed to the lapel mic I had on before. So just a test here to see how well it picks up and how good the quality is. Again, you may still hear the wind going on outside. If this works out well, I think I'll probably use this as the primary mic for video recording. The lapel mic's still good, especially if you're going to walk away from the camera. The wireless link is handy for distance. But we'll try this and see if it works. The other thing I would share is got another of my favorite little solid state hard drives. These are SanDisk drives. Show you here. So I'm really happy with these drives. This comes with a standard USB and a USB-C. This is the newer Gen 2 model. They are not inexpensive. That's the older one here that I'm already using. I have two of these already. One I use for like a backup drive, and the second one I use for video storage mainly, and some iTunes stuff. It's like where my photo library and audio libraries are. But anyway, this is the newer model. It's a little bit bigger, which I'm kind of wish it was the same size, but they all are 2 terabyte models, which along with being solid state means they're, like I said, a little expensive. But this one is the newer gen. It's under the rubbery part, it's a aluminum body, I believe, as the other one was plastic. It's also a lot faster. I'll throw the specs up there here in a second. So this week kind of came with the first person I've known in my actual close circle that has been affected with COVID. Until now, my family has been pretty healthy. I don't believe anybody's gotten sick significantly. I've known a few people friend-wise that have had COVID and did okay. But this week, my pastor back home, Peter Hubbard, which I still consider North Hills Church in Greenville, South Carolina, to be kind of my home church, and that's where I tune in each week online to watch the message of the week. But I believe he visited, as pastors do, somebody that was sick, COVID positive, and tested positive himself. So that's kind of the first person I've really known in my personal circle that's been really affected with COVID. Sounds like he's doing well so far, but you never know. And yeah, I figured it would happen, at some point, that I would know somebody personally that would be affected, and finally happened. Kind of surprised it hasn't been more people, I suppose, but it's still kind of a introspective moment to know somebody personally. Otherwise, that's all I've got for this week. Hopefully some hiking in the next week. We'll try to video that and let you know how it goes. Until next week, see you later.